Hey guys, it's your girl L Just Living. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today we're doing something just a little bit different. We're not doing travel. We're not doing a day out in Dubai vlog. No, today we're doing some housekeeping. Quite literally. With that being said, guys, we're cleaning out this refrigerator for the first time. Okay, now, whoa. I know you may be thinking, the first time ever? We haven't had this fridge that long, okay? We haven't even had it a year yet, okay? So chill out. Some of you may do this every week. Some of us do it every month. Some of us pay someone to do it, okay? But today, I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you through the process of me actually cleaning this thing out, because pretty soon, we got to go grocery shopping, and we can't just be putting good, clean food on top of trash. It's not trash. Let's just get into today's video, shall we? So it won't be a whole lot of talking and explaining. The video is pretty much self-explanatory. All you have to do is sit back, chill, relax. I got some nice, good music playing for you, so enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back.
Whoa. Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make some similar change. Got me a war in my mind. Let it go away. He was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I leave all my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good. In my mind, hold me on my fears, my name.
genius idiot. I love that nigga. I love that nigga.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. Yeah, it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time with you. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time with you. My time with you. 5 minutes slowly. I done did everything to her. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything to me. She from the jungle. She from the jungle. I take somebody else's car, drive it undercover. This shit is everything to me. This shit is everything. Don't know where we stand. I used to hit you about everything. Oh, we still good, oh, we still good. Oh, we still good, oh, we still good. If I need to talk, you around. Are you down for the cause? Are you down, are you down, are you down? Are you down for the cause? Are you down, are you down, are you down? Are you down for the cause? You still down, you still down, you still down.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone, even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Okay guys, so now you've seen the dirty and the clean. Next up, we're going grocery shopping. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Put a yellow heart down in the comments to let me know that you are there. Again, if you're new, subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you. Next up, we gotta refill this refrigerator and put some fresh fruit and vegetables in this thing, okay? Let's go.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else. You're